Hello and welcome to today's video on product of prime factors. Now, as I've said in other videos, in order to understand what we're actually talking about when we look at questions, we need to understand the language behind the maths. Product means multiply. Simple as that. Prime, not Amazon Prime, prime numbers is a number that can only be divided by 1 and itself. So it's not in any other times tables apart from the 1 times tables and its own times tables. Factor, we've got a whole video looking at factors, but it's essentially a number that goes into another number. So looking at an example, write a number as a product of its prime factors. In this case, we're looking at the number 24. Now, to write a number as a product of its prime factors, we need something called a prime factor tree. Not a palm tree. Now I want to go to the beach, but not a palm tree, a prime factor tree. So when we draw a prime factor tree, we start off with a number, and in this case, we're looking at 24. Now we need two numbers that multiply together to give 24, and it can be any two numbers as long as I'm not using 1 and the numbers are whole numbers. So I can use 2 and 12, 6 and 4, 3 and 8. And in this case, I'm going to pick 3 and 8. So we've got two branches coming out from 24 for 3 and 8, because 3 times 8 is 24. Now because 3 is a prime number, I don't need to do anything with that. That branch of that part of the tree has ended. Now I'm focusing on the number 8. So I need two numbers that multiply together to give number 8. And in this case, I'm going to pick 4 and 2. Again, 2 is a prime number. That's kind of our end goal. We want the number to be prime. So because 2 is a prime number, I'm going to stop that branch there and move on to the other one, the number 4. Now we need two numbers that multiply together to give 24, to give 4, and in this case I'm going to pick 2 and 2. And again, they're both prime. And that's it. That is my prime factor tree. Not like a tree from Prime Rock, although this tree does look a little bit like Rafiki holding up Simba. But that's it. That is my prime factor tree. Now I just need to do one final bit to actually answer the question. So in that tree, the prime numbers I had were 3, 2, 2 and 2. So if I multiply those numbers together, I'm going to get 24. You can simplify this and write it in index form as 2 cubed times 3 gives me 24. But that's it. Product of prime factors. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.